Hi, welcome back. I'm Stephanie, and welcome to Building Your Path to Success. On this channel, I like to share a lot of information in short periods of time for both high school and college students so that they can build a meaningful resume. If you like this type of information, please give me that thumbs up, like, subscribe, share, ring that notification bell, and no matter which platform you're seeing this on, if you could give me that thumbs up on YouTube, that would be great. I'm going to jump right into this because this is my favorite time of year. As you know, this time of year, if you go back and look at my previous videos, is when all of the information is coming out for the next summer. So right now, especially for the college students, information is coming out for REUs, internships, SURPs, SURFs, and many, many other opportunities. And so I'm going to be working hard to keep up and keep you updated. Today, I'm going to be talking about Wayne State University School of Medicine, the Center for Molecular Medicine and Genetics, Summer 2024 SURP. That's a mouthful, and I know it's a lot, but we're going to try to break this down and get through this so that everybody is on board. First thing we have to talk about is what exactly is a SURP? What is that? You're looking for internships. What is a SURP? A SURP is a summer undergraduate research program where the selected students can conduct extensive research during the summer with a mentor. The research helps students to gain significant experience within that research field, which allows them to see if it aligns with their educational and career goals. Essentially, you will be doing research for about 8 to 10 weeks, depending on the program, 35 to 40 hours a week. That's a lot of research because in school you have labs and the labs are not that long. We're going to go ahead and review the program. When's the application date? Who's eligible to apply? What are some of the perks? What are they looking for? What do I need to do to apply? So let's go ahead and dive into this information. So overview of the program. So this facility is actually located in Detroit, Michigan. So imagine no matter what school you go to, that you will be able to apply for this opportunity. I should mention that usually when you do these types of opportunities, it's not designed for people at that particular university. It's designed to allow other students to come to that visiting university to be exposed in different labs. So this is a time that you'll go to another university and do your research. This one just happens to be in Detroit, Michigan. I do want to make this clear right up front. For this particular SURP, you must be fully vaccinated with the COVID shots. This is for faculty and for student participants. So it's not just for the students, this is also for faculty. I want to add that out there. So with this program, students will be conducting research and participating in seminars, weekly seminars, but mainly their time will be doing one-on-one research with their mentor. At the end of the summer, each student will have an opportunity to present their research. This is good experience because a lot of times you hear people talking about poster contests. They're not talking about art. They're talking about where they can have these elaborate posters, which explains their research and it gives them a chance to talk about the research that they did. You won't be in a contest, but it's along those lines. The program will be running from June 3rd to August 9th of summer of 2024, and there is a small stipend associated with this. The stipend for this is $2,500, and the program is for sophomores and juniors. I'm going to take that, interpret that sophomores and juniors is who the program is for. To me, you're starting the program in the summer. That means that you may be a freshman or sophomore currently during the fall of 2023. By the time you get to the summer, you will be a sophomore or a junior. So that's my interpretation of that. The application is currently open, and The deadline is March 15th of 2024. What is needed to apply? There is an actual formal application. You need your transcript, your resume, 2 letters of recommendations, and a short personal statement. Of course, I'm going to leave the link in the description below because if this is something that you're interested in, you need to read more in detail to see they do have a prompt for your personal statement. So all my students out there who tell me that they want to go into medicine, they want to do research or, go into medicine, this is the type of program that may be good for you. It did not mention anything about housing. SURPs sometimes will provide housing, sometimes they don't. But I'm sure that after you actually submit your application, more information will be released. I didn't see any through the information that I looked through. Good luck to everybody. Again, if you're interested in medicine, anything in this field, my suggestion is to apply to as many as you can. When you go to get your letters of recommendations, you should have write up something for your professor with all of these SURPs, REUs that you're applying for. I like to put a hyperlink. I like to put highlight when the deadline is, but not just the deadline. If it's something that has to come to you to be mailed out, either electronically or mailed out, you need to say, this is the deadline. However, I need this in my possession, at least about, right now, you can say 2 weeks ahead of time, or at least a month ahead of time, so that you can make sure that it is sent out in case there's any additional questions. Give them ample opportunity to write that dynamic letter recommendation that you need. Apply to as many as you can. Give it to them in an email, give it to them in paper so that they can remember. And it's always good if you give them enough time to give them gentle reminders. Because as we move forward through the fall, you will be applying for additional ones. So I want to say good luck to everybody. I will put the link in the description so that you can go and do further research. And yes, I'm going to put out there, I'm a little surprised myself to see the 2,500. There are other ones I've been putting out that do pay more money, but apply to this one too. This may be the one for you. Remember, if you're a current freshman, this one may be for you. You haven't taken as many courses, so maybe you don't need to get paid as much as people who are going into their senior year. So you have to look at it that way too. Good luck to everyone. Comment, give me that thumbs up, and I wish everyone well. These are going to start rolling out a lot quicker. Take care.